to Vincenzo's plate from San Francisco.
The ricotta's really good. You can taste that beautiful lemon zest in the ricotta.
Hi and welcome to
Vincenzo's plate.
today, guys. Maria, my mother-in-law, is back in the channel
Hi everyone.
and she's going to show us how to make a fantastic Mother's Day recipe.
It is. It's one of our family's favorite recipes, favorite desserts.
What is it?
It's a baked ricotta cheesecake
With strawberries, chocolate, and lots of yummy ingredients.
and lots of love.
Yeah, we all love it. Remember the first time you made it for me?
I did.
Loved it.
It was when you first started coming into the family.
And that's when I knew Susanna was right. So Maria, show us how to make it, please.
Here we go. Stop it, Vinny, you're making me nervous. Let's start with crumbling our sweet biscuit base. We're using 1 packet of a sweet biscuit, which is approximately 250 grams. So I'm going to use a food processor. So here we go. We put in the biscuit, the crumbled biscuit, into our little bowl. Once that we've got that to a fine crumble, we're going to add melted butter, approximately 150 grams to the crumble. So it actually binds the biscuit mixture so it doesn't crumble when it's baking. Mix it all together. Smells so good. It's actually divine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the crumble into our pie dish.
Yum.
Once you've put your crumble into your pie dish, it's a good idea, just with a fork or a spoon, it doesn't really matter, just to press down the crumble so it firms it up. How easy is this recipe? 2 ingredients to form a perfect ricotta cheesecake base. The next part is putting your pie dish into the fridge. What I like to do is if I'm actually going to have this for a dinner party or my family's coming over, I like to do the base of the ricotta cheesecake the night before so it sets very, very well.
Interesting.
So overnight it sets much better. But that doesn't mean that it's not going to taste the same if you don't have do that process.
All right, Maria, now is where all the magic begins. What do we do?
Absolutely. Now what we do is we have our ricotta, our fresh ricotta, about 600 grams. With 600 grams, we also add about 3 nice heaped tablespoons of caster sugar. We also put into that mixture a little bit of fresh lemon zest. And if you are very, very fortunate to have a wonderful neighbor that has a lemon tree and you can just get that fresh lemon from her tree, it is just amazing. It does make a difference.
It does. Organic flavors.
A little bit of cinnamon and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is also a true story. Okay, remember I told you about the lemon from the lemon tree from my neighbor? Well, guess where this egg comes from? She also has chickens. So guess what they've laid? This is a fresh egg.
From the chicken.
Only laid yesterday.
Oh, yum.
That's going to be added into our famous ricotta cheesecake.
Beautiful. Oh my God, the egg is, look how nice it is.
Look at the color.
Yeah.
Just look at the color. Isn't it amazing?
Amazing.
All we have to do now is just with a fork, just combine all your ingredients together. Try and make it as smooth as you can, but not using a mix master, electric mix master, or a hand mix master. Just as simple as using a fork. Smells so good.
Mamma mia.
If it wasn't for the raw egg in the mixture, you could actually just eat this. Have this on toast.
That's right.
Have it on fresh bread.
Simplicity at its best.
Absolutely. Have you noticed the color of that egg yolk?
Yeah, look, it made the cream.
It's made it sort of more of that
Oh,
yellowy
yes,
colour.
Yes. So basically, just need to use your hands, like the old days.
Absolutely.
No technology involved.
How easy is this recipe? No fancy utensils used, just a mixing bowl and a fork.
And lots of love.
And lots of love. I've just taken the pie dish out of the fridge. Now we're ready to add the topping, our delicious ricotta mixture.
Yeah, Maria, go nice and
I
creamy.
know, how creamy is this? How good is this?
Yeah.
We just smooth it all out now.
Come moist. So we're going to bake it, right?
This is a baked ricotta cheesecake. But we have to remember, these are home recipes. So it doesn't have to be perfect. This one here is an average of up to 6 to 8 guests.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, easy.
it is.
What about for me? I think I can have the
Well,
whole
this
thing by
is
myself.
probably, yeah, between you and my husband, your father-in-law Vincenzo, half for you and half for your
I
father-in-law.
like that.
And now it's ready to go into the oven.
What temperature, Maria?
About 180 degrees
Yeah,
for about
Celsius?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay. See you soon, baby. See you
you
soon.
Now we're going to decorate our famous ricotta cheesecake. We're going to whip 300 mils of cream, adding to the cream 2 heaped tablespoons of icing sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, that smells so good. Let's start whipping the cream. Start slowly, of course.
You don't want the sugar to
You
go
don't
everywhere.
want your cream and icing sugar to splatter everywhere. Once all the ingredients are combined,
You go up.
start really whipping that cream.
When do you know when it's ready?
When the cream has thickened, there's no liquid left. I think it's ready.
Let's have a
What
look.
do you think?
Yeah. What do you guys think? Looks like it's ready, yeah.
Vincenzo, do you think we should do a taste test of the cream?
Oh, yeah, it's a must.
I think so.
Try it. Tell me what you think. Do you do a good job?
Oh, that vanilla taste, perfection. Love it.
I think I have to try it too. Smell is right.
What do you think, Vinny? Good?
Perfectly, yeah.
Perfect.
Extra, love it. Can't wait to spray it on top. Yeah. Let's do it.
Great. Remember that egg yolk that we used in our ingredients? Our fresh egg yolk
Yes.
from the chickens
Yeah.
that are around the corner.
What did you do? Oh, it cooked.
Look how
Yeah.
colourful. Look how yellow. It's actually made our
That's right.
beautiful ricotta cheesecake.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Looks
How
fantastic.
good does that look?
Fantastic.
Once it's cooled, we place it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or even overnight before we decorate.
You like the decorating part, eh, Maria?
I love the decorating part.
So a little bit at a time and
Here's the
spread
whipped
it.
cream.
And spread it everywhere.
Spread it all the way around, making sure that you're covering all those edges. How's it looking?
It looks fantastic.
Does it look fantastic?
Yeah.
Does it look like I can't wait to have a piece?
Yes, actually, yes. I can't wait to lick it.
And now comes the best part.
What is it?
Firstly, I love to grate some dark chocolate on it first. Then whatever type of fruit you like, I like to decorate it with fresh strawberries. And then I put extra grated chocolate on top. Yum, yum.
A nice round of applause for Maria. Yeah. Bye, Maria. You should cut a slice for Frank.
Here we go. And now we're ready to serve.
Yes.
Wait on a sec, we've got to put another strawberry on the side.
Yes.
Let's do a little bit of decoration on
Yes.
our plate. Okay, well, we've got the strawberry on the side. Let's just grate a little bit more chocolate.
Yum. Yeah, see, it looks fantastic.
Just a
Just
little
to give
bit.
some color. Yeah, that's perfect, Maria. Perfection.
there we go.
Perfection. Taste taster here. So, Frank. Hello, Frank.
E ora si mangia, no?
Eh, sì.
Non mangiare.
Try, please. Let us know. Does it like the way? Yeah. Up to your standard.
The ricotta's really good. You can taste that beautiful lemon zest in the ricotta and that little bit of vanilla. Hint of cinnamon.
But,
I can honestly say it's a great dessert.
thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Maria, I have to see if it's good now. You know, Mother's Day. I have to make this for you for Mother's Day. So I wanna.
Oh, so you're going to make it for me?
Yeah, and all of you guys have to make it for your mom, for your partner and mom, so all the moms, you know.
Actually, what a great idea. This is a perfect
Yes.
dessert for everyone.
Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Let me try, Maria.
Yes, happy Mother's Day. As good as the first time, are we getting better? We're perfecting
I think
it.
today
even
you were under pressure. It's the best I ever had, Maria. Melts in your mouth. The ricotta blends very well with the cream.
And what about that lemon?
And the lemon, and that biscuit is so nice and
Perfect.
it becomes moist, you know, it melts really in your mouth.
And one of the most important things is it's not sweet.
No.
It's not
You
sweet.
don't put much sugar.
No, no, not at all.
So,
Okay, so
now first you subscribe, and second
Awesome.
you put a big like for Maria. So thank you, Maria,
you.
for sharing a family recipe.
and ora si mangia.
Vincenzo's plate.
Vincenzo's plate.
Vai, mangia, Maria.
Hi everyone. It's called a